Yeah, I have no idea if any frames are dropping. Oh my god, give me a break, bro. Let me stream. Alright, so, yeah, everything is going pretty well. Pretty well. Yep, yep. Please, is the audio working? I swear. Yep, 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 yep. Alright. Yep, no drop frames. Alright, yeah. Welcome back to a stream. Today is gonna be a very pleasant, quiet stream. As you can see, I got a new webcam. Okay, I need to shut the hell up. Yeah, nobody cares, bro. So we got a new webcam. Pretty amazing. Now my quality is much better. Like I can move all over without lagging. I'm not gonna jinx anything because holy shit, I've been trying to stream, but my internet didn't want to work. So yeah. But yeah, how you all guys doing? Are you doing well? How was your all weekend? Oh, not weekend. Oh well, how was your weekend? Yeah, actually. Hopefully it went well for you all. But yeah. Like I said, today is gonna be a stream about nomenclature. So like small tutorials of nomenclature, and actually I do have something to tell you guys. I think it was in Saturday. I got invited to a podcast, and it's my first ever like podcast with like strangers. So it was pretty intimidating. If you've seen the like the stream, if you've seen the stream, like he was streaming the podcast. If you've seen the stream, you can hear me so nervous. Like I was so nervous, so damn nervous. Like I was fumbling words. I was like, but I couldn't even speak. I couldn't even speak if it was yeah. I can't even speak now, but it was fun. It was about peptides and like is peptides something you can use in the gym or like so very science based. That's why they invited me over because I know a lot of chemistry and peptides. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description of the stream as you can, if you want to see how I will fumble my word. But yeah, it was pretty interesting, and yeah, and I also got invited next weekend, so I'll see if I'm gonna join or not. I don't know, but he was very kind. Huge shout out to him. Hopefully he's watching this. I don't know, but yeah. Let's see here. Okay, it's kind of lagging. No? Yeah. So yeah. What else? What else? What else? Oh yeah, I've been working pretty hard with my studying and my Discord server to make it like visually appealing. And what else? Oh, it's dropping frames. Now it's better. Yeah. Still lagging, bro. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm sorry about the drop frame, guys, but I can't help it. This internet suck ass, bro. Anyway, so let's get on schedule. So I'm gonna uh, open this. gonna open my iPad and I'm gonna show. Log in for brother. I am logged in. What the is this? Really? There we go. Turn on recording. There we go. Should work. There we go. Perfect. All right. Please, I beg, don't drop anything. Don't drop anything. All right. So, let me see how I can do this shit. It works. Wait. Transition. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. All right. Oh my God! Finally. Holy shit. Yeah. Okay. So, I'm gonna teach you guys nomenclature. All right. Let me pull up my notes here. So last time when I thought about this, the whole stream crashed because my laptop is a whole airplane at this point. All right. So we have our first victim right here. Why did it turn black? What the? There we go. All right. So we have this molecule. All right. Gonna start pretty simple. Let me open my chat so it can read whatever you guys see. There we go. All right. So we have this molecule right here. Let me holler. There we go. We have this molecule right here. What the hell? Where did it go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, and then we have this one. Alright, so how will I name this basically? So first, when you see a molecule, the first thing you want to do is to figure out what functional group it has. That's the first thing you gotta do. Alright? So is there any functional group in this compound? Yes, there is. This alcohol right here. Alright? This is a functional group, an alcohol. And you can remember it by its OH, or like, oh, I'm drunk, And now we're gonna number it to find the parent chain. And you have to find the longest chain in this molecule. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 carbon atoms there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 there. So that means that our parent chain must be this one. All of this, alright? Alright, so now that we know the parent chain of this molecule, you can also say, you can also spot the parent chain pretty easily to that the carbon is connected to the functional group. So whenever you see carbon is connected to a functional group, you have to include that in the numbering or the parent chain. So this doesn't work. This one does. So like this, all of this. Alright? Yes. Alright, so let me write it down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That was an ugly ass 7. Hold up. Hold up. There we go. Still ugly as shit. There we go. What happened to the 9? Okay, never mind. Well, so now we are going to see what the hell is going on. So we have a functional group right here. So that means it ends with O. Alright? So this whole thing has a suffix of O. So O. OL, basically. And this one right here is an ethyl group. So that's what we call a substituent. So it just hangs up the compound basically. So the substituent is ethyl. And how many carbon were there? There were 9, right? 9. So that means it's nonane or nonane. So basically we have in position 4 of this carbon, or carbon 4 basically, we have an ethyl group. So it's gonna be 4 ethyl, alright, since it's in the 4th position of the carbon in this compound. And then we have the parent. The parent was named nonane. So oops, my bad, yeah, the O is kind of floating. Alright, and then where is the alcohol position in this compound? Basically number 3 carbon. So that means it is 3O. So yeah, the whole compound basically is named. Am I lagging? Don't tell me I'm lagging. No, it's working pretty well. Alright. So yeah, this whole compound is called 4-ethylnonane 3O. That's it, basically. So we can do another problem. Alright. So let me draw that shit. Alright, so we have there we go. We have this compound. Alright, we have this compound. So we can see there's a triple bond right here, right? Right here. So that's pretty obvious. That's a triple bond. So we're gonna give there's no functional group, like alcohol or a carboxylic acid. There's a triple bond. So the triple bond must have the lowest numbering. Alright, so we're gonna find the parent chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 carbons total in this parent chain. So all of this basically, alright? And then next we're gonna so the suffix is yne, yne basically, yne. So this is the suffix of this molecule. And in fourth carbon, position 4 carbon, there is two methyl groups. So whenever you see like this one right here is a methyl group. So that means it's gonna be 4.4, and we call 2-methyl for dimethyl. So di, tri, tetra, all that. So dimethyl, dimethyl. How many were how many carbon were there in the chain? There were 6. So it's hex. And then, whoops, where is the triple bond located? It's located at the position 2 of the carbon, so it's 2 ion. So it's gonna be 4.4 dimethyl hex 2 ion. So yeah, that's basically it. So we're gonna do another like example. So yeah, I will be making a whole video of this. I'm just showing you like how I do it basically. Alright, here's a fun one. There we go. Oops. There we go. Solid. There we go. This one. Oh, am I lagging again? Are you serious? Oh shit, I'm dropping 3,000 frames drop. Are you serious? Oh hell nah, brother. Nah, bro, this is disastrous. I'm sorry about that, honestly. Yeah. Jesus. Alright, so we have this molecule, and it's basically a cyclohexane. So there's 6 carbons basically. So numbering it will be the functional group gets the lowest number. So in this compound we have this functional group, which is a ketone. So basically this molecule will end in an one, like O-N-E. So basically it's gonna be, let me number it. So the functional group gets the lowest number, alright? So 1, okay, that was not a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cyclohexane basically, yeah, right? So in this molecule there's a methyl group. There's 2 actually. So that means, like before, we're gonna say dimethyl. So it's gonna be let me write here 4.4 dimethyl. Whoa, that was some fat cyclohexane 1 oh, like this, right? Oh. Yeah, or you can just say cyclohexane. So it's going to be 4.4 dimethyl cyclohexanol. Alright, so the suffix is on because of the ketone group. And if it were, there cannot be an aldehyde in this compound since it's cycle, so only ketone can be available there. And yeah, so dimethyl, when you see 2 basically. So that's that compound, 4.4 dimethyl cyclohexanol. Let me try another one. Alright, we're gonna do this. There we go. Oh shit! I already count. I already counted. Whoops. There we go. Yeah. So we have this molecule right here. So we're gonna first find out what functional group there is. So in this compound, there's an amine group, basically. So the suffix will be ending in amine. Yeah. So we're gonna find the parent chain, basically. The parent chain is all of this, since this one is a substituent called ethyl. So we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Having the hiccups. 5. There we go. So that means there's 5 carbons. That means it's a penta or pentane, basically. So now we're gonna like pull it all together like a puzzle piece. So in carbon 2, there's a ethyl. So it's gonna be, if I can tap, 2 ethyl. How many carbons are there? They're pentane. So pentane in position 1 there is an amine group, right? In position 1 carbon. So it's gonna be 1 amine. So it's 2 ethyl pentane 1 amine. So yeah, we can try another one just for fun. Oh, this one is good. Wait. Well, write in the chat if I'm lagging though. I gotta know if I'm dropping frames or I'm gonna drop myself out of. Anyway, so 1, 2. What? God damn it. Alright. So how do I find this name for this molecule, basically? I'm gonna locate the functional group. What's biggest in the hierarchy? So basically an alcohol is bigger than a double bond. So an alcohol will, the suffix will end in alcohol. So it's O. That's an alcohol. So that means we need to figure out if this double bond is cis or trans configuration. So stereochemistry, basically. So that's the first one in the whole like list, like the name. The stereochemistry comes first. So let's see if it's either trans or cis. So if you zoom in here to determine if this double bond is cis or trans, we're gonna look at the following hydrogens. In line bond drawings, the hydrogens aren't visible. They aren't there. So you have to use your imagination, or like see that they are there, but they aren't there, basically, in the drawing. So if the double bond, if the substituents are in the opposite sides of the double bond, then it's a trans configuration. If this double bond, if this, the substituent is on the same side of the double bond, then it's a cis configuration. All right. So let's see here if we have anything. Let me draw my laser. So you have an hydrogen here, and we have an hydrogen here. All right. Or actually, let me draw it like this. Have a hydrogen here, hydrogen here. Then we can see that these hydrogens, all right, these hydrogens are completely opposite. And like I said, when it's opposite, then it's a trans. It's trans configuration, basically. So this piece of shit right here is a trans configuration molecule. So basically, its name is gonna be trans. So yeah, and then we're gonna count the well, the parent chain. So it's gonna be the whole of this basically. The parent chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is oct. So an oct, like OCT, alright? So it's gonna be trans oct. Where is the double bond starting? It's starting at position 2 of the carbon, alright? So it's gonna be trans oct 2 ene, and then where is the alcohol located? It's located at number 4 carbon. So it's gonna be trans oct 2N 4O. So yeah, that's basically it. So that's pretty easy to determine if a molecule is trans or cis. Like a quick ass example. Oops, a quick ass example could be like this. This one is this trans or cis. If I can draw correct, there we go. If this is cis or trans, well, this molecule right here is a cis configuration. And the way I see it is because a cis is like a smiley face for me. So when it doesn't smile like this, whoops, like this one is not smiling. So yeah, this like this, then it's trans, and this is a cis, since it's smiling. So yeah, that's one way you can see it. Alright, so let me find another one. Ooh, let me find this one. This one is a bit advanced, but it's gonna be fun since we have each other to learn, you feel me? So okay, we have this monstrosity. I swear to you, the more you practice on these problems, the more easier it will be, basically. It's for all chemistry. So you just have to practice and practice and practice and practice until you cannot sleep anymore, and then practice more. So yeah, we have this molecule. So we're gonna find the are there any like functional groups? Yes, there is one. There is a double bond. So that means the parent chain will follow, since the functional group will have the lowest number, then it's all the way this one. The rest are just substituents. These are just substituents, alright? So let me count how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another 8. Alright. So let's figure out this molecule or this double bond is trans or cis, because that's the first name when naming stuff. Alright. So let me pick another color. There we go. So we're gonna draw the hydrogens of this molecule. Alright, we can see that the hydrogens are on the opposite sides of double bond. That means it's a trans configuration. Simple. So the name starts with trans. Something, right? Next, we're gonna find out what substituent we have, alright? So we have a fluorine, we have a chlorine, and we have 2 methyl groups. So we're gonna put them in alphabetic order. That's important. So C comes before F, right? And F comes before M. So it's gonna be since it's in position 5, so it's gonna be 5 chloro, 5 chloro, and then fluorine, 6 fluoro, and then you say the methyl group, so it's gonna be 5.6 um, dimethyl. Let me try it. Oh, there we go. Dimethyl. How many carbons were there? There were 8, so oct. So dimethyl oct. And then where is the where is the functional group position? It's positioned at number 2. So it's gonna be 2, and it ends with ene. So ene. So this whole monstrosity is called trans 5-chloro 6-fluoro 5.6 dimethyl oct 2 ene. So yeah, that's basically it. And what else do we have? Oh, we have this one. Let me draw it. I'm not a good skilled artist, but some chemists are like really good at drawing molecules. I feel like mine's are like hieroglyphics at this point. But yeah, it is what it is, man. You just have to practice a lot. You feel me? Just practice. Okay, so we have this molecule, alright? And there are 4 substituents, alright, in this molecule. But we're gonna find the parent first, since there's no functional groups. So this whole parent will be this. Now, if there's no functional group, the substituents will get the lowest number, the first substituent. So this one right here, this is the first substituent, it gets the lowest number. And why is there like a red? There we go. So all of this is the parent chain. So we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon atoms, alright? I'm having the 6 carbon atoms and 1, 2, 3, 4 substituents. And like I said, we're gonna do it alphabetically. So chloro comes first, fluorine comes next, and then dimethyl comes next, since there's 2 of them, right? So it's gonna be there's no trans or cis configuration since there's no double bond. So it's gonna be 2 chloro, 4 fluoro, 3 dimethyl. Where is my lasso? I'm not a cowboy, but dimethyl. Where was I? How many carbons there? There's 6. So it's gonna be hex, and there's no double bond, so it's not like ene or ine, so it's gonna be ane, so hexane. So this whole thing is called 2 chloro, 4 fluoro, 3 dimethyl hexane. Alright? Fluoro reminds me of like slush ice, like flurry ice. So yeah, probably tasted flurry ice. Anyway, so what do we have next? We have this one. This one, like, there's a lot of branches. Maybe it's doable. Yeah, I also noticed that we gained like 2 subscribers. We were at 15, I guess. 16, 17, 18, 19. We gained like 4 subscribers, and honestly, I am so honored. Like, I don't deserve like your support, but I really appreciate it. And hopefully, this whole goal is to like learn you guys easily chemistry. So hopefully you actually like learn while watching. That's the whole point. All right. So we have this fancy ass molecule. So I'm gonna start off. Is there any functional groups? Yes, there is. There is a double bond. Are there any substituents? Yes. There's an ethyl, there's a methyl, and there's yeah, that's it. So 2 substituents. Now I'm gonna see if this double bond is trans or cis, basically. So if they're on the opposite side, if the hydrogens are on the opposite sides, then it's a trans. If they're on the same side, it's a cis. So in this molecule, the hydrogens are on the opposite side, right? Like this, right? Opposite side, like this. So that means that this double bond is a trans configuration. So this is called trans something something. Whoops. Something. Now we're gonna count how many carbon atoms there is. So I'm gonna find the parent chain, the big daddy basically. So 1, 2, all of this basically, all of this. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 carbon atoms in this molecule. Well, the parent chain is 8, the longest carbon. So it's gonna be ending with oct something. All right. So now we're gonna see substituents. So we can see there's a substituent at fourth carbon ethyl. This is an ethyl group. So it's gonna be 4 ethyl. So let's draw that 4 ethyl, and then in the position 5 there's a methyl group. So it's gonna be 5 methyl, and then the parent chain, what was that? That was oct. And then where does the double bond start? It starts as carbon 2. So it's gonna be 2 ene. So the suffix ends with ene when it's double bond. So yeah, so it's gonna be trans 4 ethyl 5 methyl oct 2 ene. So yeah, that's that compound. Can you even see the thing on stream? I can see there's a bit like this. Whatever, man. I only need to get that. So yeah, that's basically nomenclature in a nutshell. Like I said, I will do a video on it. I'm working on it actually. So it's gonna be like whole ultimate edition of how to do nomenclature very easily, like name every molecule basically. So it's gonna be good. Drop frames 4,000. Yeah, okay. This internet is not the best. Check the things here. Yeah, I think that's about it. Just want to talk with you guys. You feel me? Missed you all. Where do I like this? Like honestly, guys, I missed you all. It's been a busy weekend. Like a lot of stuff are studying. But yeah, I was in a podcast. Oh, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Been working on like content. Me too. Done. Wait. Oh yeah, it's dropping frames. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Keep going. Oh yeah. 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 Terrific. Yeah. So Oh yeah yeah. Just keep dropping. Yep. Yep. Just keep dropping, bro. There we go. Oh yeah, I wanted to like share my goals basically because from now on, I swear, now on I'm gonna work so hard. Like when I was in this Discord server where I was holding the podcast with someone, I noticed that they had such a hard work. Like they was working so hard, and I really appreciate them for working that hard. And that like motivate me like a lot to work hard. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna work hard. Just watch me. I'm not gonna stop anytime soon. And we're gonna get there together on the top. Alright. So this is my plans. Basically, this is my like checklist. So number one of my plans is to reach 100K on YouTube. I've never done that. Maybe there's like a possibility, but I have faith. I have faith that we can do it. Reach 10,000 members on Discord. So like 10K members on Discord. Grow my fan base, basically. Have a large fan base I can talk to, I can chill with, I can learn stuff with. And yeah, just grow my fan base. Z's. That's the name, basically Z's. Like the letter Z. Um, the next one is get at least one active chatter in stream. Yeah, so get at least one active chatter in my stream. So yeah, there's gonna be hard work. Don't worry, we'll get there. We'll get there. Don't worry. All right. Next is become known as the best chemistry helper out there worldwide. We're definitely gonna get. I will go back, um, like to this stream, and just say I got this. I did it. So I have faith, in this. I believe that we can do this. Uh, the next is get my degree and finish my education. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this uni or college or whatever you want to call it. Financially stable my mom and dad, like everyone's dream basically to retire someone's mom and dad. So yeah, collab with famous YouTubers like Nalred or others. That could be pretty fun. Like game shows, I watch a lot of YouTube where there's like fun game shows that I always like tell myself, oh, I want to be in that. Like I can do this. I can definitely do this. Like my like that would be pretty fun to collab with others. But yeah, and the last one for now, get muscular, get hot. Basically, yeah. So a lot of gym work is also gonna be in there. So yeah, I'm still drawing frames. Oh my god, this is such. Whoops. No, wait, there we go. Yeah. I am dropping frames like crazy. Yeah, I'm dropping frames like crazy. Holy shit. Oh my god. Don't tell me my whole stream was like this. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm just glad I'm were able to stream today. Like it was on my schedule, like to stream when I can. But this shit just lags like a. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm getting errors of YouTube shit and everything. I think I'm gonna end everything. Thanks for watching. If you did watch, I appreciate you so much. Thank you for the support. And yeah, I'll just keep uploading, and hopefully you will learn. And I'll see you in the next stream. So eat well and stay hydrated. Okay, how the hell do I stop this? Oh shit. Oh my god, it's dropping so fast.